which flows.
Una, good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Wednesday, 17th April 2024, and our topic for today na divine favor. Our memory verse dey for Deuteronomy chapter 33 verse 23, and it talks say, Moses pray for Naphtali tribe say, Naphtali people, favor go follow una, and God don bless una well well. Make una collect the west and south as una own. Our Bible reading dey for Esther chapter 2 verse 12 to 18. Dem treat the girls well for 1 year. Dem massage them with smear oil for 6 months and balsam oil for the other 6 months. After, dem come dey take each girl go meet the king. When e reach time for any of the girls to go meet the king, any cloth or thing wey the girl ask for, dem dey give am. E go there for evening, come back for morning. Then dem go take am go meet church girls wey dey care for the king girlfriends. The girl no go meet the king again unless the king ask of him name. Time come reach for Esther to go meet the king. Esther na Abihail pikin and Mordecai cousin, and anybody wey see am dey like am. When her turn come reach, she wear wetin Haggai wey dey care for them say make she wear. So for the 7th year when King Xerxes dey rule, for the 10th month wey be Tebet month, they bring Esther come meet King Xerxes for the royal palace. The king like am pass any of the other girls, and Esther come win the king heart. He puts the royal crown for Esther head, come make am queen take replace Vashti. Then the king do big party. He come invite all him officers to take honor Esther. He give holy day to everyone for him kingdom, come give them better gifts. Now the message. Anytime when you hear this statement, God dey smile on you, it means say you don dey enjoy God's divine favor and grace be that o. For Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26, God talk say Aaron's sons suppose pronounce blessing on top the people, and this na the blessing wey they pronounce. God go bless and protect una. God go dey kind and good to una. God go look una with favor, come give una peace. If God dey shine face for una, it means say God dey smile on una, and una go enjoy divine favor everywhere wey una go. E also means say every darkness wey dey around you go catch fire, and you go dey enjoy in light. If God don decide to show you favor, wetin you go achieve go pass person wey dey work very hard without divine favor. If God show you favor, miracles go just dey happen left and right. For example, Bible talk for Genesis chapter 24 verse 63 say Isaac goes through, and for verse 67 for that same chapter, Bible talk say, and Isaac carry am come him mama Sarah tent, and he carry Rebecca come make her him wife, and he love her very very well, and na wetin comfort Isaac be that after him mama die. All the bragging work to take find Isaac wife, na some other people do am for am o. If you wan come compare Isaac experience to Jacob own, wey do hard labour for 40 years so he go fit marry woman wey he wan marry and dem no give am shishi, we go see the difference of favour and hard work because of wetin you want. I pray say as for today, God go show you favour. E no too tey, dem bin dey rate all the universities wey dey Nigeria, and Redeemers University come become second, and the first university na University of Ibadan, wey be the oldest university wey dey Nigeria since dem build am for 1948. Redeemers University na just 17 years old that time, and we beat universities wey be say dem don reach 60 years old. Na how dis one take happen? The only explanation na im be divine favour. The question now come be say, wetin be the thing wey you go fit do to take dey enjoy dis divine favour sef? We go see the correct answer for dis question for Proverbs chapter 3 verse 3 to 4, wey talk say, so make you always get faith and dey humble, tie truth and mercy around your neck, come write them for your heart. If you do like that, both God and human being go dey happy and they go favor you. If you want make God favor dey follow you, you need to dey always dey tell truth and dey show mercy give other people. The action wey we suppose to take for today message be say always dey tell truth and dey show mercy give people. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Nothing in my hand I bring.